Sometimes, after an order has been created, a customer may request changes such as adding another item, removing a product, or updating quantity. Instead of creating a new order, you can simply modify the existing one. To modify an order, navigate to the order screen from the dashboard. Yeah, I have an order here, so I'll open it. Then on the top right corner of the screen, I'll click on modify order. The selected order will be loaded into the cart editor where you can make the necessary changes. You can add new items, remove products, or just adjust the quantity of existing items based on the customer's request. So I'll be adding a bottle of Chivita apple, and if I proceed to payment, it says I submit. Then order has been created, and here I have a partial transaction and I have outstanding balance of 750. So to clear this, I'll just click on pay balance and I'll select the method the customer wants to pay with. Let me say bank transfer or cash. I'll click on pay all and pay. And now it has been confirmed. Transaction has been confirmed. No more